up here in Lee Canyon. It's fucking cold, like negative wind chill. My hands are freezing.
Guys, on my way to Lee Canyon. I'm fucking stoked. Going by myself, so I mean it's still gonna be fun. I pretty much do everything by myself, but I never snowboarded by myself. So this should be a good time. Just still getting used to my board. It's the first season I've had all my own gear without rentals or loaners or something like that since I was like 17, 18. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. Can't wait to learn more. Hopefully today I do a lot better than I did at Lee Canyon last time. So shit, man. See you guys soon. Woo.
Yeah, up here in Lee Canyon, it's fucking cold, like negative wind chill. My hands are freezing. GoPro's probably gonna die soon through the half of the day, so hoping I get as much as I can, but stoked, living life, solo runs. Can't ask for much more, right? Whew. GoPro's for sure dying, but it's been such a fun day. Can't ask for any more. Subi's looking nice too. Look at this, all dirty. We need a nice cleaning. Sheesh. Woo. Oh. Ooh, first black. Oh. Dudes, what an awesome day. Literally third chair in the morning, and then pretty much, I mean, third to last chair in the evening too. So I mean, I was just snowboarding all day. Saw some homies from the gym up there, so that was stoking. I love that. That shit was so fun. Mike Tan, you're the man. The whole group that you're with, you guys were fucking awesome. But on my way home right now. Gonna probably be back out on the mountain on Sunday with Chris. So we'll see you then. Probably. I mean, why not? I did really good today, so I'm pretty happy. So yeah, stay tuned. Until next time.